Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to do a comparison of two of Pride Mobility's newest carbon fiber folding electric wheelchairs. This one to my right is called the Jazzy Carbon 27. The one to my left is the Jazzy Carbon HD. Now the Jazzy Carbon 27, as the name implies, once the battery is removed, it gets down to 27 pounds. It can support 300 pounds of weight. The battery range is a little over 9 miles and the top speed is around 4 miles per hour. It's also Airline approved, and you have two color choices to choose from between blue and red. Now the Jazzy Carbon HD can support 400 pounds of weight. And once you remove the battery of this chair, it weighs a little over 32 pounds. So comparably, any other 400-pound weight capacity folding electric wheelchairs on the market, they might weigh 50, 55 pounds without the battery. This one that can support 400 pounds can support or weighs just 32.5 pounds. So it's really revolutionary for a high weight capacity folding electric wheelchair. The battery range on this one is a little over 12 miles and the top speed is the same. It is almost 4 miles per hour. It's also Airline approved. And if you look at the design of these, they're very similar. Like the frame is, this is kind of like the little brother and this is the big brother. So in this video, I just want to go over a comparison of the two so you can learn a little bit more about the Jazzy Carbon 27 and the Jazzy Carbon HD. All right, so we'll start at the back. I'm gonna show both of these. There is a storage pouch on the Jazzy Carbon HD. Not a whole lot of storage, but you do have a little bit. And that's all the storage you have. Now on the back of the 27, Jazzy Carbon 27, there's no storage on the back, but you have this zipper storage pouch underneath, which is a lot more space. The HD does not have that. Now when I look at these motors, you can see that they are two 250 watt motors, and that's on the HD. This one, the Jazzy Carbon 27, they are also two 250 watt motors. In fact, they're the same motors. So same motors on a 300 pound weight capacity chair as a 400 pound weight capacity. Now the HD does have a spring suspension. You got two DuraShocks here on the front, and then on the back, and then on the front, you got the spring suspension on the front. Now there's no spring suspension on the Carbon 27, but you do have spring suspension on the front casters. The wheels are also flat free on both chairs. On the 27, the rear wheels are about 8.5 to 9 inches. Front wheels you're looking at about 7. Compared to the Carbon HD, this one is about 10.5 or 11 inches on the rear wheels. Front wheels, it looks like they're the same wheels. Yes, about 7. So same wheels on both chairs. The rear wheels are the only one that's different. Now you'll also notice that the joystick is identical. You got the same joystick, same motors on both chairs. So I'll go over the features on one of them since it's the same, but you got a speedometer, you got an odometer. You can see right here, it says it's in gear 5. So that's how you adjust the speed control. The top speed on this chair is 3.7 miles per hour, same as the Jazzy Carbon HD. You also have a horn and you have a headlight built in, which is nice. In addition to that, you got a USB-C charging port, so you can charge your cell phone on here. And you got your charging port to charge the battery, so you can do that directly on the joystick. Now, if I flip the armrest back, I think since it's like the little version of the HD, I believe they both flip back in the same manner. So that's as far back as it goes. Armrests don't flip back any further than that. Now on the Jazzy Carbon HD, yeah, same thing. So it doesn't flip back any more than that. That's as far as it goes. So you have about 4 inches from the seat back to here. So when you're making transfers, something to keep in mind. Might not be a big deal to some people, but I think it's important to point that out. And that's really for both chairs. They stick out about 4 inches, this little bar. Let me put these both back down. You also get a cup holder on both chairs. If you're left-handed, it's easy to swap these and put the joystick on the left side as opposed to the right side. There's just a little knob under here. That's how you would remove it, and then you can adjust where you want it to be. And then once you find that positioning, just lock it into place. And it's the same on the joystick as well. So let's get some measurements of the seat. Now on the HD, it supports 400 pounds of weight, so it should have a wide seat. The seat is measuring at about 20 and a half inches. Distance between the armrest is about 22 inches. So 22 inches of space between the armrest on the HD. Now on the Jazzy Carbon 27, we're looking at seat width of about 17. The distance between the armrest is 19. So even on the Jazzy Carbon 27, having 19 inches of space between the armrest is actually very good too for a folding electric wheelchair. You also have a cushion on both chairs. It's connected by Velcro. Same on this one. Now, one thing that I recommend, we've had a lot of customers tell us, now both chairs you can get an upgraded memory foam cushion. This is the Stealth Simplicity. So if you look at the two, here's the upgraded cushion compared to the one that comes standard. This one is much more comfortable, and I feel like if you are someone that needs a high weight capacity chair, it's a great idea to upgrade to that. So we'll put the standard cushion on there. Now, you also notice the foot plate is really wide on the HD. Looking at about 17 and a half inches by 6. On the 27, it's about 12 inches by 6. This zipper storage pouch, I believe we can move it over here, so I'm gonna try it actually. It is connected by Velcro. I know a lot of people want storage on these, and it's not always easy on a folding electric wheelchair, so let's see if this will work. Yeah, so you can actually get the zipper pouch. I'm sorry, the zipper storage pouch. You can get that for this as an add-on. You just have to let us know if you want to get that added. So if you want additional storage, easy to do so. So another thing about the foot plate, it is adjustable. So you can see there's 3 notches here. So right now it's at the lowest position. So if you're shorter, you can move the foot plate up. The Jazzy Carbon 27 does not have that. So you can't adjust the foot plate. I feel like the spring suspension is better. It's a lot thicker compared to the spring suspension on the 27, which makes sense if you think about it, because it needs to be able to support a high weight capacity. Now, if you wanted to use these as walkers, or you ran out of battery life, you can put these motors into freewheel. And the great thing about these joysticks is that they're smart joysticks. It tells you exactly what the issue is. And when I put them back into drive, it goes away. So let me power this off for now. And I want to put these back into freewheel just to show you can push this manually. You can use it as a walker, stand up and walk around, no problem. Or if you just wanted to push it to your destination, like if you ran out of battery life. Another thing about the joystick I forgot to mention is you can easily disconnect it. So when you're traveling with this, you can disconnect from here. And then you just unscrew this. So I like that that's an option. These are expensive if you were to break this. So because you have this ability to take it off so easily, I would recommend doing that when you fold it and travel. All right, so let's fold these up. Now on the Jazzy Carbon HD, you got a latch here. Then I can fold it up like this, and you heard it click into place. that's because it has a locking mechanism right here. So I can't unfold it because it's locked. So if you want to unfold it, you have to pull this to unfold it. I'll tuck this away, or tuck the foot plate out of the way. So that is the HD folded. Now the 27 folds in the same manner. You got a latch here. Now I can get that folded. The only thing is this one does not have a latch to secure this like the HD version does. Let's get a couple measurements on the HD. Looks like the widest part is going to be from the foot plate to, kind of hard to measure because of the shape of this, but I'm going to say it's around 12.5 inches. The height, now if you move the cup holder and the joystick, the height's going to be at the foot plate, which is about 30 inches. And then width is about 26. Now on the Jazzy Carbon 27, you got your width at about a foot. The height, now this is if you remove the cup holder and joystick, the height's going to be right at the foot plate, about 27. And then width is going to be 23. Now unfolding, super easy. Just grab it from this bar on the back where the seat back is. That's it. Get the seat belt out of the way. I don't think I mentioned that these do come with seat belt as standard. Now on the HD, I can't just unfold it like that. I have to unlatch it right here. Then I can unfold. And of course you have a seat belt here. The HD also comes with a seat belt extender. So if you need a longer seat belt, not a problem. I'll show you what I look like in these, just to give you a reference. So I am 6'4", I weigh 235. Obviously I'm under the weight capacity. Here's what I look like in the HD. This is comfortable for me at my height. Plenty of space. And when you get it down to gear 1 at the lowest speed setting, I've noticed with both of these chairs, it's very easy to control. It goes at a slow speed, which I know is a concern to a lot of people. So sometimes people want to slow down as slow as possible, and these seem to be programmed really slow if you want to set it down to that speed setting. Also, I'll show you, these are really durable, right? Like I can put all my weight on this. Despite it weighing 32.5 pounds, or at least the frame, you can really put your weight down on this. Like this thing is made really well. And it has to be to support 400 pounds, right? So this one, here's what I look like on this one. Obviously this one's a little cheaper in price. Definitely looks smaller in this one. So the Jazzy Carbon HD is more comfortable for a taller person, obviously. But I can fit this. This is fine. Like if you needed to travel, and it's lighter. It weighs 27 pounds. Same thing with the armrest. I can put all my weight on it. You access the battery here. It's on a track. You can charge it off of the chair. So you can charge it on the joystick, or you can charge it on the battery directly. So you don't have to bring the whole chair inside your home. So easy to access right underneath the seat. On top of that, because it's Airline approved, you're required to bring the battery on as a carry-on. So when you fold this up and you get to the gate, you can fold it up, and then I can grab the battery from here. So really easy to access. I think this was smart how they thought that out. The Jazzy Carbon HD is like that, and also the Jazzy Ultralight. It's another chair they have, which is a lightweight one they came out with about 2 years ago. So this is the Jazzy Carbon 27, Jazzy Carbon HD, little brother and big brother. If you have any questions about either of these chairs, call us. Our phone number is at the bottom of the screen. I forgot to mention, obviously this is made by Pride Mobility. They are the best brand in the industry. They have an excellent warranty, and their warranty does include a 1-year in-home service contract. So if anything goes wrong in the first year of owning any Pride Mobility product, they're going to try to troubleshoot it over the phone with you at first, but if they can't fix it that way, they'll send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue, so you have that additional peace of mind. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com, and hope this video was helpful for you guys to learn a little bit more about the Jazzy Carbon 27 and the Jazzy Carbon HD.